Uh, Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to the playlist of electrical estimation and costing. It is a professional elective subject. The subject code is 18EE822 or course code or subject code. Okay. And it is not practical subject. It is a completely theoretical subject. It means completely we will going to conduct only theoretical classes, no practical classes. Even though in our college we used to do some pedagogy activities. On the basis of the pedagogy activities, we will going to conduct some activity. I am going to give some activity in future on the basis of this subject only. Okay. And the credits is 3. The teaching hour per week is 3. But in your timetable, they mention 4 hours per week. Okay, Monday 2 hours and Tuesday 2 hours. And continuous internal evaluation marks is for 40 marks. In that 40 marks, I'm going to conduct 30 marks for your written examination or written CIE test, CIE test, average of that CIE test, 30 plus 30 plus 30, 90 divided by 3. Okay. And then semester end examination. For that semester end examination, university allotted 60 marks, 60 plus 40. Okay. The examination hours is 3. Okay. I'm Arjun Joshi. I'm assistant professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Vidya Vikas Institute of Engineering and Technology, Mysuru. Okay. Once again, I welcome you all for this wonderful playlist of electrical estimation and costing. In this uh, subject or in this playlist, you guys are going to learn many things about the electrical estimation and costing. What do you mean by estimation and costing? What are all the parameters we need to consider? What are all the parameters we need to neglect? Everything we will going to learn in this playlist. Okay. Let's check it out. Some course objectives of our subject. Okay. Here there is some course learning objectives. Even though these are all the things are not important as a student, but we should understand in this era. Otherwise, we don't know what are the objective about this subject. So let's invest 1 or 2 minutes on this slide. Okay. In the syllabus they mention, I'm not create anything, but it's mentioned in the syllabus. Just read that one and let's understand some important objectives of this subject. Okay. To discuss the purpose of estimation and costing. What are all the purpose? Why we need to go? Why we need to understand this? Why we need to learn this estimation and costing? What are the importance? Okay, those are the things we will going to learn in this subject. Okay, it's not a too outdated or not unimportant subject. It's a very important subject as a electrical engineering, especially those who are come from diploma background. They already learned this subject in the diploma days, but those who are come from PUC background, those students require this subject actually. Otherwise, we don't know about estimation and costing, how to place the lamp, how to place the switches, what is the distance we need to consider. These are all the things we need to understand. What do you mean by conduit? What do you mean by flexible conduit? These are all the things, substation, transmission line erections. Okay, these are all the things we need to consider, students. So that's why it's a very important. That's why to discuss the purpose of estimation and costing. Here, there is a many subjects: electrical estimation and costing, civil estimation and costing, mechanical estimation and costing, computer science estimation and costing. But here we will learn only about electrical estimation and costing because we are under electrical and electronics department. So that's why the subject name called electrical estimation and costing. Okay. And then the second objective is to discuss market survey. What do you mean by market survey? Why we need to conduct market survey? These are all the things we need to understand. And estimates. What do you mean by estimator, estimate? What is the difference between those things? We need to learn. Purchase enquiry. Why we need to conduct enquiry? What do you mean by purchase enquiry? These are all the general things. Okay, we actually use these terms, these methodologies in our daily life. Those things we will going to understand in this subject. Next, tender. What do you mean by tender? What are the different types of tenders are there? Those things we will going to learn. And then comparative statement, and then payment of bills, Indian Electricity Act, and some of the rules. These Indian Electricity Act is very, very important. And then to discuss the distribution of energy in the building. Okay, we need to consider on building, and then how that energy we will going to distribute, how that energy we will going to distribute with the help of wires, we need to learn. And then wiring and wiring methods. So there is not only one wiring method, there are multiple types of wiring methods are there. Those things we will going to learn in this subject. And then cables used in the internal wiring, wiring accessories. So many accessories are there in the wiring. So those are the things we need to learn. Fittings and fuses. And then to discuss the design of lighting point, this lighting. Oh, lighting points is nothing but money house wiring, money wiring. Okay. Next one, and its number. What are all the numbers of points we need to consider? What do you mean by points, scheduling, everything? I will going to teach you guys. Total load, sub-circuit. What do you mean by total load? What do you mean by sub-circuit? Size of conductor, we need to understand. And then to discuss different types of service mains. Okay. First, in the first module, we will going to understand the theoretical concepts. In the second module, we will going to understand the internal house light wiring. And the third module to discuss different types of service main. Okay, what are the different types of service main? Underground service main, overhead service main. In the overhead service main, there are many types. In the underground service main, there is only one type. Those things we need to learn in this subject. And then estimation of power circuit. What do you mean by those power circuit? Machines are there now in the electrical laboratory or in the large scale industry. Those things we need to learn in the estimation of power circuits. And then to discuss estimation of overhead transmission and distribution system and its component, those things, transmission and distribution system estimation and costing, we will go to learn in the module 4. And then to discuss main components of substation, we will go to learn in the module 5. Their graphical representation and preparation of single line diagram of substation. What do you mean by single line diagram? What do you mean by substation? And then graphical representation, we will go to learn in the module 5. Okay. Okay, students, I'm going to discuss about this module wise syllabus in the future minutes. Okay. And then this is the module 1 syllabus. Module 1 syllabus is completely theoretical part about, this is the complete introduction about our subject, electrical and estimation and costing. I'm not going to read this syllabus. You can pause the video and read the syllabus from principle of estimation, introduction to electrical, Indian electricity rules. Okay, those are up to you can read out. Okay, these things are very completely theoretical part. And then second module, wait a minute. In the second module, up to this part, wiring to this conductor, introduction to this conductor is completely theoretical part. Okay, this is the prerequisites for ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ವೈರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಥಿಯರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇನ್ ಎ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, PVC casing and capping, conduit wiring, disabilities of wiring, types of cables used in internal wiring, multi-strand cables, voltage grading and specification of cables, main switch and distribution board, conduits and its accessories and fittings, lighting accessories and fittings, types of fuses, size of fuse units, earthing conductor. These are all the things are theoretical part. Next year, we will going to learn about some general rules of wiring and the house wiring. Here we will going to do some problems. Okay. Yeah. Next, service main, module 3, introduction, types of service mains, mainly underground and overhead, estimation of underground and overhead service connections. Next, design and estimation of power circuit. Next one, design and estimation of overhead transmission and distribution lines. Next one, module 5, estimation of sub-circuit. Very easy, student. 5 modules are very easy. Let's we learn happily. Okay. Don't have any doubts on this subject, whether it may be easy or tough. How I'm going to teach, that's also important. How you will going to learn, how much concentration you will going to put on this subject, that is also very, very important. This is completely 50-50 subject, 50% theoretical, 50% problematics. Sometimes they will going to ask the question for 70 marks theoretical, 30 marks theory. That is the worst case. But almost all the papers you need to consider 50-50. 50 for theoretical, 50 percentage practical or problem. 50 theoretical, 50 problems. Okay, always ready for worst case. And then course outcomes. At the end of the course, student will be able to, I'm going to give one example. My student called TM Sridhar is now working under Shobha Constructions as a estimator. He always mentioned my name because of this subject, electrical estimation and costing. I selected for this company. So that's why students, it's very, very important subject. In future, I will try to conduct one webinar or one seminar on electrical estimation and costing from industrial person like contractor, real-time contractors, how to do contracts, and then how to get a license from the KPTCL or KPTCL. Okay, let's we conduct one seminar from the effective person. Okay. Here, the first CO1, course outcome 1 is interpret the general principles of estimation and major applicable Indian electricity rules. That is nothing but a module 1. The module 2, discuss wiring methods, cables used, design of lighting points and subcircuits, internal wiring accessories and fittings, fuses and types. This is the module 2, lightings, house wiring. Third one, discuss estimation of service mains and power circuits. Fourth, discuss estimation of overhead transmission line and distribution system, its components, module 4. Module 5, CO5, that is nothing but CO5, course outcome 5, discuss type of substation, main components, and estimation of substation, module 5. Okay, these are all the course outcomes of this subject. Question paper pattern, you guys know, very simple. The question paper will have 10 full questions, obviously, carrying equal marks, means 20, 20, 20, 5 into 20, 100 marks. Each full question will be 20 marks. There will be 2 full questions with maximum of 4 sub questions from each module. Each full questions will have sub question covering all the topics under a module. The students will have to answer five full questions, selecting one full question from each module. Means one module means there is 2 full questions, 1 AB, 2 AB. You need to select one AB or 2 AB. You will going to get out of it 20 out of 20, 20 out of 20 into 5, 100 out of 100. So please concentrate to score out of it. Here, very easy to score out of it. It's possible actually. Try to score maximum. It's possible actually. Because it is not a theoretical subject, 50-50 is there now. So in the theoretical part also, you can learn, you can write generally because the subject is like only. So you will going to draw some diagrams, some theoretical parts. Generally, you can write. I'm going to provide complete the written notes and complete PPTs, so no need to worry. Okay. The important textbook for this subject is a course in electrical installation, estimating and costing. Name of the author is J.B. Gupta. Name of the publisher is Catzel Books. Edition and year 9th edition 2012. This book is available at a library. Please, you can purchase or sorry, you can borrow from the library. Otherwise, the notes is enough. From my point of view. But those who have interest to learn more things, please go and refer the textbook. Sometimes the local author textbooks I will suggest in the offline class. Okay, you can refer those diploma textbooks. That is, those textbooks also very, very easy to understand and very important. Those textbooks are also very important simultaneously. Sometimes compared to JB Gupta, those the textbooks will give more important. This textbook gives are there in simplified manner. They're written in a simplified manner. So no need to worry. Okay. 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 Thank you. Now let's be continue in the next video. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Next video, let's be start the module 1. That is nothing but a principles of estimation. All the best.